welcome to my channel. I just wanted to show you a few of the things you guys could be looking out for as far as shopping for your baskets. This is a shrink wrap bag. This is the size. Actually, let me flip that around. This is from Temu, and I will show you. I'll kind of walk over to my table. It will fit these little tins and buckets from Dollar Tree. I'm going to show you some of the makeup that I got and jewelry. These little bears are on Amazon, so I'll link everything below. They're also like a little keychain. You get those in a set. So this is from Shopmissa. It's a woman-owned, minority-owned dollar store based out of Dallas, Texas. They have great makeup. So I'm going to grab the box and show you guys a little bit more. Okay, so everything I got in this box was $1. This is one of my Dollar Tree roses, but they also have these on Temu. Just to show you guys, these are full-size products. These nails also come. They come with the glue. They have really good jewelry. These are some press-on nails. And these I've kind of taken out of the package because I like to look at them. One of the influencers, Platinum D, kind of put me onto this website. They also had like a big sale last weekend where they had a clearance where they had a lot of makeup, nail polishes, and things like that. It went down to like a quarter, 20%. So I had happened to miss that. They have full-size products and they have a large range of skincare products as well as a foundation. I got mascaras, eyeshadows as well. I'll kind of show you a couple of the little gift sets that I got and some items I got from. I got this here. This is one of the sets that's in City Trends right now. This is just a little example of some of the little small gifts that I'll be making. This my little tower. I'm still working on this, kind of planning to see how I want to do this there. And then this right here, this perfume I got for $2 on clearance at City Trends. Now this is the start of the show. If you guys can see, I got a lot of these. And I'm going to order some more. They went down to $1.88 on Temu. And you can cut it off at the bottom. You can see it without the iridescence, and they have it in different colors. That was the cheapest color. So, don't mind the mess, but I'm in the process of prepping small gifts for Mother's Day. These are the little ribbons I got. I'm going to put the link in there. And then I'm going to show you some of the makeup. This is from Shopmissa. It's a dollar store based out of Dallas, Texas. It's woman owned. I got these nails from there. And see, See how big this is? You see how big my hand is?
I also inserted some photos below. I just wanted to show you guys the full size quality of these products. These were shipped in the spring, so it was warm, and everything was shipped very well. Everything was packaged neatly and covered in bubble wrap. And you can't beat these prices for $1. Um, they look more high end. They can fit in the sides of your hand, so it's a good price, and they won't know where they got them from. Nobody will know. Nobody will know. It's not going to be something you will see in a Dollar Tree. These are shaped like champagne bottles, so they are something that I love to throw in my baskets, especially like for Valentine's Day. If you have like a mug or a glass, they also work really well with small gifts. Gifts. These I was just trying to grab something different. When I did purchase this, it was during the sale where you get 11% off, and shipping is only $1, so you can't beat it. What I'm going to show you guys now is one of my favorite stores in my local area. They have 4 locations. I will drop the address if you guys were interested in coming to the store if you're in Michigan. It is called Dollar and Party. It is a variety dollar store. So if you're looking for something else besides what's in the Dollar Tree to kind of mix up the variety in your baskets, it's a great place to go. If you're a party planner, it's an excellent store because they have almost everything. And if you're looking for something unique to add into your baskets, and they also carry beautiful floral, shrink wrap bags, pool bows. If you're in a pinch and can't wait for something to come in off of Amazon or Temu, they are a great resource to go to. They credit card is a minimum of $10, but they are very nice, very friendly. Um, so it's one of my go-to stores.